everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from 915 Aesthetics. We're going to be creating a cooler kind of mani today by pulling in some purples and blues, and then we're going to play with the most gorgeous sparkle ever. It's a very fine glitter and it is simply beautiful. It is called Rumor, so you're going to see that here in action in just a little bit. But right now we are diving into this. It's almost kind of like a blurple. It's really, really pretty. It's like has a slight darkness to it. So you can see here, it looks a little purple, but yet it has like a slight blueness to it too. Overall, these colors pair so well together. We're also going to be doing a little bit of color blocking here on our one accent nail. We're just using that 3M medical tape here. And then I like to take a little silicone tool here and just make sure it is laying as flat as it can be before we go ahead and apply our dip liquids or gels to the actual nail. I just really want to make sure the flatter it is, the better outcome it is definitely going to be for us. So we're going to be using 3 colors today on this color blocking nail, and we're just kind of do like a little bit of a fade. So we're going to start off with this color first, and then we're going to apply denim, and then we're going to go ahead and do like a glitter tip. It's going to look really pretty. It's almost going to give it a radiant effect because these 2 colors that we're using, the solids, are slightly similar, just one pulls a little bit more bluer. So naturally, it's going to give us this really awesome, like effortless, kind of like an ombre effect, but yet it's going to be like these like super clean and crisp lines. All right, so now we're going to go in with a second coat here, and then this is really when you're going to see this color come to life. I mean, it's beautiful on its own. If you are looking to rock a one coat, it is really pretty. Plus, I really like these solids because it's not patchy or streaky or anything like that. And that seems to be the like final conclusion when it comes to solid colors from 915 Aesthetics. We've played with tons of colors from 915 Aesthetics, and I will say that the solids are still by far my favorite solids ever. So if you are in the market for some high quality solids, ranging from dark to light, they are all super great quality. Highly, highly recommend. All right, so now for this color blocking nail, I'm just carefully applying that gel. You can get the dip liquids or gel on that tape. Just be extra careful because the more product you get on that tape, the harder it can be potentially to remove that tape. But overall, do not be scared. Just take your time and just really just get into that line here. And then the color blocking by far is super fun. I used to fail miserably at color blocking until I switched up the tape that I was using, and now I love color blocking so much with this 3M medical tape. It is definitely a game changer. All right, so let's get into these beautiful colors. We're going to keep adding tape to this nail as well to build up that color blocking. We're also going to do some filing and buffing, and then I'm going to pop back in just a few moments.
Every guy I've met, we fell in love at a bad time. Getting insecure, questioning myself on the way down. Now I'm so tired of breathing underwater. I just wanna float like a ship made out of paper. Right now I need to take care of myself, comfort in myself, like a roller coaster. One week I am up, next one I'll be down, but I'm getting closer to a stronger me, feeling free, like a roller coaster. One stronger me, feeling free, like a roller coaster. Grandpa used to ask why I'm single with such a pretty face. Where is your man? You should go out and chase him. Now I'm so tired of breathing underwater. I just wanna float like a ship made out of paper. So now I'm about to take care of myself, comfort in myself, like a roller
All right, so now that I removed that tape, I want to clean up this line a little bit. So I am going to start filing and buffing on this line before we go ahead and add the glitters. Now this is just another tip that you can use when you are playing with solids and then you want to incorporate some glitters. So I am going to do all the filing on these solids first just to get them exactly where I want it. Now this is a total optional step, but I really wanted to clean up that line, and then I wanted to go ahead and just buff the top of this just to make sure everything was flowing great in between those two solid color lines that we created before we go ahead and add the glitter. This is just going to help overall just keep this nail super clean and crisp. Also, it's going to just blend these two colors together and just really seal in this color blocking, making it look like it is one nail. So we're going to dust off, and then we're just going to go ahead now and add some sparkles. So that is the only thing I did differently today for the mani when it came to buffing on top of the nails directly. I did not want to wreck these beautiful glitters since everything was laying super flat. So a way to prevent from buffing on these glitters was just to go ahead and do that buffing and just a little bit of filing before we go into these glitters. All right, so let's keep diving into these glitters here, and then I'm going to pop back in just a few moments. All right, so we finished up the rest of the filing and buffing off camera. Filing and buffing was super easy. I just kind of cleaned up the sidewalls and the free edge and just reshaped ever so slightly. Then to seal in this mani, we're gonna go in with a layer of gel base on all the nails. And I also use a different gel base when I'm working with glitters, just to make sure I am keeping these solids as pure as possible, even though on that thumbnail I do have a little bit of sparkle, which is completely normal when you are working with such a fine glitter. Now, if you want to keep these pure solid, what I would recommend doing is doing all the solid nails first, doing your file and buffing, and then seal those in with a layer of gel base and top coat, and then go in with your glitter if you really want to keep these as pure as possible. But I personally do not mind a little bit of sparkle, but I do like to keep my liquid separate. I have dip liquid liquids for solids versus sparkles, and I also have a set of gels versus that I use for sparkles and then solids. So now that we cured everything with that base for 30 seconds, we're finishing up with a layer of gel top coat. I'm going to cure for 60 seconds and then do the rest of the nails off camera. And here's the finished mani. Now, these colors are everything. They're great for that winter season that we're in right now. But personally, these colors are awesome for any time of year. You could also pair these colors, especially crush with like a hot pink, and even include rumor. I think that would be really pretty to add a little pop of pink in here. But then that color blocking nail, you see how those colors just kind of like fade together? It's a very subtle color blocking. It's really pretty. And then I love the tip of glitter. This glitter, it is everything, and it just adds the perfect sparkle to this mani. So everything that we did use in today's video can be found in that description box below. If these colors were not your cup of tea, head over to 915 Aesthetics. There's definitely a large variety of colors and sparkles. There's going to be something that catches your eye. And stay tuned for our Taylor Swift mani. It will be dropping shortly today. We are in the middle of Taylor Swift week, and we are going to be diving into a new era tonight, so stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed this simple mani, and I'll see you all in the next one.